So we're shooting Dinero episode 2. Last one, we did episode few. July 6, 2022 was the last time we shoot and post the last one. Them time them have a Blackmagic Pocket 4K, 1 lens and 1 battery. Now I have all of this. I'm gonna do this right and do it again. So look out for more. Starring Pedro and Dwoy right now. But you know, that'll grow big, that'll get better. So the first scene, we're in our parking lot. And basically, the man them are go kinda, this is the establishing scene, right? So we kinda meet the characters then. So Pedro is playing a character named Rizzla and Dwoy is playing a character named Wayne. And if you hear context, I don't know I give it too much, but the man them are cleaner, you see me? So you'll see what I'm going.
Got Dwoy right here.
Yeah, may I play, what may I play again? May I play Wayne, not Marshall. Guys are fun. I think it's not the script though. Hey, you did have we in mind when you did write the part though?
Specifically, yeah.
Why? Why?
Because someone will always say guys are forever, bro.
No, that is true. That is true. That is true.
The man know the thing.
So she's making sure everything go according to plan.
I'm script supervisor and director today.
Big director. AD.
PA. What else?
Alright,
Road
so
manager.
let's set up the scene.
Alright. So I'm here. Put my mic. You hear me? Good? Alright. Play my role today as a big bad actor, as usual. Yo, the mic keep on a drop off. Cesar. I don't know if you're good now. Probably good now. So which part exactly?
Yours then is
Yes, I just did my first scene in we're going to our next location. She like it too far from me, don't it? Yeah, so we're going to our next location right now. I get BTS. Man, I'm stage of BTS.
alright. Thank you guys.
So, what's next?
Alright, so now we're just gonna get a drone shot, the car exiting, finish the scene. Then we're gonna do the next scene, which is by Dwoy's house. And that scene is also going to be really nice. Because as I said, the man them are cleaner, isn't me? So what them are clean? We'll see that, you know.
The first scene for you.
First scene. Alright, so first scene, like, I try again, I'm a Johnny Depp kind of character and thing, but feel like it can go on. Pedro help out. They have to read the line about 15 times. Take 25, but work out.
My scene good enough, you see me? So you don't know, so I have this, I'm just in my acting stage right now. You see me? I'm a big actor and I know that I can do this. Yeah. So let's go to the next location. You see me?
We'll do this.
So we're here at our next location. We have ʟᴇᴜ here. So he's going to actually tell us what's going on right here.
Alright, so we're at the second scene in this episode. And basically Rizzla, played by Pedro, and Wayne visit this house where they pick up a body because they're cleaners. So what cleaners do? Them clean up after a man make a mess, you see me? So we're gonna actually set the scene for the body.
What's this?
Your gun, your holster, or whatever.
Yo, this heavy, man. Oh, this piece of heavy.
Because it has that sweet.
What me see?
It's a multi-tool.
It's a multi-tool. Oh.
Yeah, this is an axe.
Let me see. Oh no, man! Put on about the next part one.
It's very sharp, eh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Put on the next part one. And he's very focused. I'm not sure why I have the mic in my mouth, but I don't take it out. Okay.
Sir. set, and 3, 2, 1, action.
Yo, bro, what for you know? I want to end up like them people, isn't me?
Action from the
Oh.
So that's the body, it's the body bug. Body looks small though. And with the light you see pop up is the tally light that them say.
Yes.
The time code on too. Yeah, so we're doing this.
Grade up here. Grade up. Grade here.
Going the third.
Yeah. What's this one?
Man, I use period blood.
This is fake blood by extra thick fake blood.
You bought that locally?
Yeah.
Their company name is Structure.
Why?
Instruct.
Very sturdy enough. Alright, now.
Not good. So we'll get the body shot now.
Yeah.
So guys, so she will be in the casket today. So she'll get wrapped up.
Play the true buddy I am.
What is it? What is it?
I mean, that can stay on, you know.
The hat. Who get takeaway in the hat?
It not show like a clip off at least 5 pounds, I swear. Come on.
Somebody give me some tape.
Wait here, ring.
Tape what?
What is it? So this is the camera.
Where's the lens cover? Put another one for you. You good? No. Huh?
Soon come up, man.
And do it. Step forward.
You're not seeing the hole in the back.
Yeah, shoulder, same shoulder. And now I get no visibility on the man. So start very heavy. Find that shit. Action.
Alright. Action again.
And 3, 2, 1, action. Slip. Set. And 3, 2, 1, action. Cut, yes. I like if now, but now maybe. That goes up back and that one. Cool. Yeah, we're done with it. Alright, ready? Action, do it. So you take that touch too. And
You want to move the light?
that's good now. Pause the way. I get one closer for the way already. I get a wider view.
At least you do a good job, you know.
Just with both hands.
At least you're doing a good job, you know. Perfect dead person.
Yeah.
Ready? And then
Wait, no, it's innocent. I'm check it.
So sorry. I'm so sorry. I need glue. Yeah.
So this somebody starting for this. But no one from
Slide. Set. 3, 2, 1, action.
It is a matter of moments.
by the looks of this. I think it's a woman. We just finished. This is what the second scene.
This is scene part of scene 2 and part of scene 3. And we're moving into doing the first half of scene 2, which is a shot of them on the road. So actually gonna be using a car mount for that, which I'm very excited to use. And then after that, we're just gonna do the final set of shots, and then that's a wrap. So I'm hoping that we can get this done in the next hour and a half, because we started late. But so far, crew has been excellent, talent has been excellent, the acting is really good. Man, I'm on point. You know, I've the best dead body you could ever ask for. So now we're just gonna wrap it up. Yeah, but Pedro want to finish edit this in a day. Now,
Yeah, man, tonight. Let's edit tonight, man. Yeah.
No, we might do like P-side as a teaser.
Alright.
Dinero episode 2 coming to you on Wednesday, May 23rd, 2023. So filming the last scene, but we're not. This is not the last scene for the day. It's just the last scene in the episode.
Say I do it before.
I'll do it before because the most technically difficult shot will be the car mount shots. But we'll do it beforehand because we're already here. The lighting is good. Everybody just eat lunch. The vibes is prepared. So we'll just go, you know, do the thing. Oh, Dovey, take off the NDR for that. Pass me.
Bad. No.
No, I'm wanting to respond.
No, but not like that.
Not like that. Him don't have to listen. Sometimes silence is so potent.
Da, it's an ugly brother.
Why would you?
So suppose it be broke now.
That's what I wanted to do.
Got all in your right hand we use all the camera.
And something
Did you
else.
get that on film?
Yeah.
It's rain.
Rain is?
Let's go.
Feel like water.
Let's go.
Water.
Let's go.
Yo, life of shooting.
Yeah,
Alright, so we wanted the establishing shot, which is Pedro's character Rizzla. He's about to dig a ditch to hide the body in. I chose this location because it has a nice rustic appeal. It just looks like a nice place to do this kind of thing. Don't ask me why I look up places for bury bodies. It's for movies, people. You have to think and put your mind into the mind of a killer or whatever. It's a good place for me sometimes. So yeah, I do the establishing shot, which is going to be a dolly shot that I'm mimicking the movement of a dolly using a gimbal, because personally that's why I prefer using gimbals to dollies. You get the forward and backward movement, but then you also get the slides that you'd use in a slider. And I just want to add some motion to the shot, so I could do it. Rain I get heavier. We have an umbrella, we have one umbrella. Now I ask my actor them for acting at the rain. The real G them, big up Pedro, big up, you know, Duvi. We want to do more work like this, encourage Uno to do more work like this. The real creativity is getting out there and doing things whether or not you can afford to, but because you want to. And I wanted to do this, so why not? So I could do it. Transition. Alright, so about to do the most technically complicated shot of the entire shoot. We're actually going to be doing a car mount. The scene is pivotal to the entire thing. We're using the small rig car mount kit, which I got from Camera Tech Source. Big up Jerry. We'll actually be using it, and I hope that you guys see how useful this shit is. Cool thing about this is that it comes with multiple suction cups, right? You get 4 suction cups that you can rearrange into any fashion to fit any metal or glass surface. It's reinforced and vacuum sealed, which means that once that go on, it'll go take a lot of things to take it off. So you get the 4 suction cups, and you get these 4 articulating arms that you can actually mount to the suction cups and mount to the base plate and rearrange in any fashion to suit any surface. So we're gonna set it up here now. Setting it up with my Lumix S5, which is the lighter of the 2 cameras I'm working with today, so we can get the shot. So just give me a little time to put it together, and then we can pick up from this. So cool.
When for Jared this time?
Last one. I mean, at Fuji, we get some of the lot template them from anyway.
Exactly. One year paper.
It's a warrior boy. Me say some warrior.
It's been raining today. First precaution of make sure so the surface is dry. So when we add the suction cups, there is nothing impeding them from staying attached to the surface of the car, you see me? So we're actually going to be mounting this on the door, and the intention is to get the over the shoulder to the next character, which will be in the passenger seat. That's Dovey, right? So take off the rubber coverings off of all of the feet. So small rig actually has a button here that releases the air from the suction cup, and what that does is create a vacuum to seal the car mount onto the surface. So right now, cool. Alright, so the payload for this, if I'm remembering correctly, is actually 15 kilograms. And this is a relatively light camera. Like the camera body itself is like 1 pound. So this is supposed to be super easy. So once this is locked into place, there we go. Nice and tight. Situated how I want situated. Alright, so this is what our final shot looks like.
Want to bring on the light inside? Oh, the shadow is because of the roof.
Yeah. This is our final shot, or what it would look like. It's all locked into place. So now we can actually get our character delivering his lines while the car is moving. And the beauty of this is you can tilt up and down on the axis. So if I want to reposition, I can do that as well. And it looks good, it looks fine, looks natural. I know I said usually it must have a little bit more tension.
Yeah, man, it must get more attention.
Physics.
Wait, do I type on the roof rack? Or type somewhere longer? Okay. Where does someone say, brother?
You can't say nothing in number there.
Yeah, ʟᴇᴱ.
That's how you normally drive?
No.
Actually, I wouldn't mind that. Like lean back and drive. It's even better than 24.
Full frame 24?
Yeah, 24 to 1. Probably just use this.
I wonder what smaller XL is. They look really good still. Hopefully it can work. And you need to come test the audio. Yeah. That's why I want to get the shot from now. That's Yo bro, what to do what we have to do, you know? Cause you don't want to end up like them people, isn't it? Bucklet. Man, then pack it up already. Well, let's get to work.
Of the nation.